It just drops us down. Yeah, those guys ain't gonna come out. This has already been a 15 or 18. Pretty flat. What's that floating out there? See it in front of us? Down off the port side a little bit? Something pretty big floating in the water there. Hundreds of yards ahead of us. See it down there? Somebody's little kayak or something. Well, it's not moving. It's not moving really, is it? I don't know how we're going to do going downwind there. Pulling the chute up in this is well, it's, I don't want to risk it about that. Just really well to be. Comes a gust. Right here. This is what stretches out a set of sails. Oh, there's a log in front of us here. Some weeds blowing off stuff.
Getting my weight forward? Is there like a way that my weight can be
No,
or is it just pretty common?
It's such common, yeah.
Okay, so you're used to having your
Oh yeah,
to you?
bump, push them up, yeah.
Cool.
All right, I'm gonna hop on there. Hop on, let's we're behind the trees here now. Like we were up there and we thought it was gonna die.
Oh, yes.
Okay, should let the downhaul off some.
Yes.
We may have to pull the chute up on the way down and out. You don't really want that on with the chute and everything loading on the mast, so let her pretty much off and ooh. Oops. Oh,
So I feel like you need
yeah.
a bungee.
I see now
Just
Dan has
off
his.
the-
That is a kind of nice system.
It does
right?
help. But your sheets are a lot longer than his too.
Yeah, that's true. That bottom of that chute is a lot more. To be honest, I'm a little nervous to pull the chute up there. Well, other guys are out. All right, I guess we'll fall off a bit there. Ease the jib. You know, we get the proper distance in it there, and we'll fall off here. And of course, you know, if we get some wind now when we're reaching like this, we want to have the weight, you know,
As far as
back
Good.
here.
Is it the same thing where I hook into your harness?
Yep.
Self-tracking? You don't have a chicken wire.
I do
I'm used to
not.
having. So I just bring the sheet up.
We're downwind. Pull it up whenever you're ready.